My name is Zhen. I'm 8 years old. I came from Rawang and I learned coding. I want to share a story. Hi, my name is Him and I have a new friend. Him and Tom is in the park. Him and Tom buy some carrots, snacks and drink. They eat at the park and they play. They sing, they run around, they explore the whole park. And then they go back home and sit on the sofa to watch TV. Thank you and goodbye.